Hello guys, this is the new series of the my study area of MECO event, how it forms, what is the relation with the climatic change. So in this sections, in this chapters, we will be started the MECO event. So Middle Eocene Climatic Optimum, we just focus the global view and then Pakistan view. So they occur in the 40 million year ago is the age where this event is occur. So this event, the 40 million year is this is the stage in which the O18 is decreases, due to which the temperature is rises both surface and deep ocean. So you can see this is the stages in Eocene time in which you can see the O18 is decreasing. So it's mean that the little bit global warming is occur in this area. So what about the carbon isotope excursion? So there is no significant carbon isotope drop because of the gradually CO2 input from the source or local carbon cycle effect different in different sites. So it's mean that in like a PETM Paleocene thermal there is a maximum carbon excursion occur, but here little bit carbon excursion because in different part and different carbon source is inputted. What is carbon input excursion in Kohad Basin? So the in Pakistan only one study area which focus this MECO event is the Kohad Basin. Kamran et al. 2018 is the paper. So they show that there is some little bit carbon excursion is occur. MECO event was first found in the ocean drill in which 1% drop in O18 in southern ocean core. This is the different well in which they recorded the first MECO event. In magnetostratigraphic, they show that the magnetic reversal is also occur in this along the MECO interval from reversal to normal. Normal means that the magnetic field come out from the north to south, and the reversal mean from south to north. So the magnetic reversal is also occur in this MECO interval. So sources, first the people say that the source is volcanism. Two flood basalt from Ethiopia and Mexico, they are the cause of this MECO event. Second, so they related this volcanism with this supply of different mineral gases and weaken the carbon drawback, so due to which the atmosphere causing warming. And they also give this reason that in PTM maximum carbon incursion, so that's why minus 60 carbon incursion occur, but organic input is too much. But in this MECO event, organic input is little bit weak, little bit, so that's why the carbon excursion is very little bit. Number two is the metamorphic decarbonization, in which the collision between the Himalayas and this closure of the Tethys Ocean, they degassing the calcium carbonate which react with silica, so wollastonite form, and they release the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is responsible for the MECO event. And here still the in Himalayas this MECO event carbon or CO2 bubbles are out, which the main cause of the MECO event in these regions. So they also study one section from Groka, Nepal, in which they see the pre-earthquake and post-earthquake. So pre-earthquake the carbon excursion is a little bit, but post-earthquake the carbon excursion is too much. So they also study the biostratigraphy, in which the planktonic foraminifer is evolution takes place in the shallow benthic. It also changes in the nanofossil is also changing along this event. So in Pakistan MECO event, which I started the study in here, Pirko Drazinda section, which the latitude longitude is this one, and this is the Pirko section, in which you can see the incline Dungan in the older rocks and the Ghazij younger, and then the Eocene started from Habibrahi, Dumanda to Sewalix. So this is the lithostratigraphic of the Pirko section, in which the Cretaceous, Paleocene, Eocene rocks are exposed in my area. In this Pirko section, we can focus the Pirko Drazinda. Between Pirko Drazinda, the MECO event is present. So why I am studying this area but not study this area? The main reason is the environment. In here the is shallow carbonate but is deep marine carbonate. So by focusing the shallow carbonate, it may be show a lot of diagenesis, but in here no diagenesis. So it's the good interpretation if they study for the paleoclimate. So this is the three reasons in which you can study the deep marine outer fishes for the climatic change, because here a lot of diagenesis occur. So another is the fossil preservation. Organic preservation is also good in the outer shelf, not in the inner shelf, because in the inner shelf a lot of high energy environment, so maybe dissolution diagenesis occur in between the fossils. So you can see the chart in which the deep ocean is not oxygenated, but the shallow is too much oxygenated. And the example which MECO also studies is from the Newtitis Baskel section from Turkey. So this will be the another section in which you can study from this area and you can compare your area. So this is the reference or research paper related to this introduction of MECO event. So we now go to the next section in which you can see the what is MECO more detailed, what is like in field, how will be look MECO event. So we will be go to next video.